You know English vocabulary. You know grammar. You can even build sentences. But what happens when you actually try to speak? Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast. Your mouth becomes silent. But here is the shocking truth. The problem is not your English. The problem is your mind. And today, I'm going to reveal the dark psychology behind why you cannot speak English automatically, even after years of learning. Warning, once you understand this psychology, you will never think about English speaking the same way again. So, watch till the end, because the final section can change how your brain reacts to English forever.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. This is not a normal English lesson. This is a mind-level lesson. Today we will talk about fear, shame, childhood conditioning, social pressure, and hidden mental blocks. All these things secretly control your mouth when you try to speak English. If you are a student, a teacher, a working professional, or someone who feels I understand English but I can't speak, this lesson is for you. Here is the dark truth. Your brain's main job is not learning. Your brain's main job is survival. When you try to speak English, your brain asks one question. Is this safe? And for many Sri Lankans, the answer is no. Why? Because your brain remembers. People laughing, teachers correcting harshly, friends mocking pronunciation, classmates saying English show-off. So your brain connects English speaking equals danger. When danger appears, your brain activates silence, avoidance, overthinking. That's why you translate in your head. Stop mid-sentence or say, I know this, but I can't say it. This is not weakness. This is psychological protection. Let's go back to school. How were you taught English? Focus on mistakes, red ink corrections. Grammar fear, marks, ranks, exams. Nobody taught you how to think in English, how to react automatically, how to speak without fear. So your brain learned one rule. Before speaking English, check everything. Grammar, pronunciation, accent, word order. This creates mental delay. And automatic speaking needs speed. That's why children speak automatically, adults overthink and freeze. English was stored in your brain as a subject, not a skill. Let me ask you something honestly. Are you afraid of being corrected, being laughed at, being judged as not educated? If yes, listen carefully. This fear comes from social conditioning. In our society, English equals intelligence. English equals class. English equals power. So when you speak English, you feel like I'm being evaluated. That pressure blocks natural flow. Automatic speaking happens only when the mind is relaxed, the ego is silent, fear is removed. But fear makes your brain go into defensive mode. That's why you can speak English alone, in your mind, with children, but not in front of people. Most learners do this. Sinhala, English, speak. This is slow and dangerous. Why? Because translation uses logical brain, activates fear, slows reaction. Automatic speaking uses a different brain system. Same system you use to speak Sinhala. Same system you use to react emotionally. That system activates only when you stop forcing grammar. You repeat patterns. You create habits. Fluency is habit, not intelligence. Here is something nobody tells you. Highly self-aware people struggle more with English because they constantly think, how do I sound? Is this correct? What will they think? Children don't think like that. Automatic speaking requires temporary ego death, permission to sound imperfect, freedom to make mistakes. Perfection kills progress. Now the solution. Rule 1. Speak before you're ready. Fluency comes after speaking, not before. Rule 2. Use pattern-based speaking. Example, I am plus verb ing. I want to plus verb. I have to plus verb. Patterns reduce thinking. Rule 3. Create a safe English zone. Talk to yourself, record voice notes. Speak to supportive people. Your brain must feel safe. Rule 4. Rewire identity. Stop saying, I'm bad at English. Start saying, I'm training my English. Your brain listens to identity labels. Let me tell you something important. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. You were psychologically trained to stay silent. But silence is not your destiny. The moment you understand the psychology, English loses its power over you. And when fear disappears, fluency appears. If this lesson opened your mind, like the video, subscribe to LELTA, and share this with someone who is struggling silently. Because English is not a language problem. It is a mindset problem, and mindsets can be changed.